I'm Liz Ford. I'm the Executive Director of the ARC of the Mid-Ohio Valley, and we kicked off kind of quietly, although in a big event, our capital campaign with the help of Lisa Collins, who has been a great supporter and guided us along the way, to begin raising $350,000 for the repair of our building, the installation of an elevator to make our building fully accessible, the painting of our building, and a new parking lot. And we have some great representatives that are taking the lead in championing our cause in the community, and that is Julie and Madeline Kearns, who are here via recording to share a message regarding our capital campaign. We are so excited to have Julie and Madeline Kearns here with us as we celebrate the beginning of the capital campaign for the ARC of the Mid-Ohio Valley. Thanks, Maddie and Julie, for being here.
Thank you for having us. From the time Maddie was little, her father and I looked for every opportunity for her to learn, socialize, and to participate in programs that would help her grow and develop just like other kids. The ARC offers programs like TechLink, advocacy programs, community education, community involvement, direct services, and most importantly to us, support. Now that Madeline is an adult, she still enjoys getting together with her friends that she's made through the ARC. This building has been a great source of programming, but like all buildings, it needs maintained. And Maddie and I are very honored to co-chair this fund drive, and we hope that you will respond to the call to help us with this valuable organization. $350,000 is a small investment in this group that makes priceless investments in the lives of people like Maddie and families like ours. Thank you in advance for your generous donations. And Maddie,
please help us fix the parking lot, build, and elevator.
Well, I don't think I could have said it any better. Thank you, Julie and Maddie, and thank you all for your support. The ARC of the Mid-Ohio Valley has been around since 1955, and we provide services to people over the course of a lifetime. We start with West Virginia Birth to 3, RAU2, where we provide valuable services for young people at risk of developmental disabilities. We also provide school-age services through the Youth Advocacy People First and transitional services for young people who are transitioning from high school to post-secondary employment or post-secondary education or employment. And we do that through a class called Instruction in Self-Advocacy. We also provide vocational and training opportunities at both our thrift store and our People First Cafe. We have adult People First groups that meet throughout the state, and we provide advocacy training and support there. We do a secret Christmas program every year for people that might otherwise not have Christmas, and a really fun, inclusive summer day program where we really try to immerse our participants who are school-age children who receive special education services through the school system in their community, so that upon graduation, the services and all the things in the community that their typical peers enjoy, they are able to be a part of. We have been fortunate that the Wood County Commission has pledged $30,000 to our campaign, and through the generous guidance of Delegate Kelly, Delegate Conley, Senator Boley, and Senator Azinger, we have pledged a total of $29,000, $3,000 from DuPont, and then various other pledges from community members and organizations. And I'm pleased and proud to introduce Sharon Anderson, the president of Williamstown Bank, and her lovely daughter, Kaylin, who was a volunteer with us this summer right now. Come on up. If you'd like.
You want to come on up?
Okay. It's Friday.
It is Friday.
Thank you for being here,
Thank
Sharon.
you for asking me.
We appreciate
and
it.
I just want to, on behalf of Williamstown Bank, my daughter, we've benefited from the services of the ARC. She was born with a birth defect that at 3 weeks and heart surgery. And at 3 weeks old, we were told she was going to never walk or talk. And at 8 months old, she had open heart surgery, and we utilized the services of Birth to 3. That got her the speech and the occupational and the physical therapy that she needed to get that early intervention and to be able to do what she's doing today. And she volunteered for the ARC last summer, and we're excited to see the programs that she's able to engage in, even as she transitions from PHS and the special education department there into a job and hopefully able to live on her own. So we're really excited to be a part of this and to help in any way that we can. And just as a little something from Williamstown Bank, we'd like to present a check for $2,000 to help kick things off as well. And so
I'm
we look
touched.
forward to more partnerships to come with the ARC, and we're excited to work with you all.
We are as well. Thank you so much, Sharon. Thank you for your continued support. And Kaylin, I know you don't want to be up here, but we want everybody to know what a great job you did helping us with summer camp this year. Thank you very much. So I once again want to thank everyone in the community for their support. Lisa Collins for her guidance, our board members who are here today, and our community collaborator, Randall Sears from SW Resources. We appreciate it, and we look forward to feeling the love and support of the community as we move forward with our capital campaign. Thank you.